Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D Online Marketing. So I'm a bit late with this because I've been having all sorts of problems with autoresponders. If you've been following me, you know the issues I've been having. Anyway, I'm sort of back on track. So the Rhodes brothers have released List Warrior, which is another brilliant piece of software um, around getting free traffic. Now, their last two products I affiliated, and it's actually the biggest selling product I've done. I sold about 60 copies of each in like 24 hours. Reason being, it works. This is such a great way of getting free traffic, guys. It's unreal. And this is a new way. It's a way I've never seen before. And the best bit is I've had this bit of software for about 10 days, but I've only been implementing it about 7 days. And I'll show you that it works. I'm one of the only marketers out there who actually try stuff and show you that it works. So watch this video, watch it to the end. I'll be giving away a load of bonuses. Have a look below the YouTube video, the comments below it, and I'll show you what I'm giving away. I want you to get this. I want you to get this because it gives you free traffic and it works 100%. So let me just go small. So first of all, this is List Warrior. Okay, it's by the Rhodes brothers. They only bring out quality products, and I love them. I love their products, and I don't say that about many people. Like I said, I affiliated the last two of the best products this year. This is new. This is even better because this drives free traffic to you. So I'm going to show you the sales page. I'm going to show you the members area, and I'm going to show you my results, my personal results using the software. So the sales page, very quickly, it says beginner-friendly software, fights to grow your list like a machine. It's a proven system that virally grows your buyer's email list for you. Yeah, I agree with it. Really good. Now they show some crazy figures here: 2,000, 1,500, 623. These are all achievable. You might not get that many at first, but it depends how you do it. 19,000 subscribers in 11 days. If only I could get that many, that would be amazing. But this definitely works, guys. You can definitely get new subscribers, all right? And then you can start getting these figures. All right, it's a really, really nifty bit of software. I've never seen it before. And it's all about giving away something for free. And we know that that works. That 100% works, all right? No experience, no website, no squeeze page, no chatbots, no Facebook begging, and no monthly fees. 100% all that applies, all right? It's a new method. It's a brand new method out there, and I like it. Now, before I go on to the members area, this is a really long sales page, all right? Just have a look at it yourself, guys. I'm not going to go through it all because it is really one of the most in-depth sales pages there are. They're brilliant. And that's what I like about these guys, the Rhodes brothers. Everything they do is so professional. And the best bit, this works on PC, Mac, and all mobile devices. It's cloud software. There's a lot of people out there that just have it for the PC, and they don't tell you that until you've bought it, and it's really annoying because you just end up getting a refund. This works on everything because it's in the cloud. That magic cloud up there, it works, all right? Everything you need is included: video training, the software, case studies, everything is there. It's so good, and this is why I love these products by these guys. You don't need anything else. Yes, there's OTOs and upsells, but you don't need them to get started. You can just get on with this with the basic package, all right? You're getting a load of bonuses as well. You've got everything you need, guys. It's super simple. Now, like I said, let's go over to my account. So this is my Warrior Plus account, Bobby D Online Marketing, that's me. Let's just go for the last 7 days. So I've been trialing this over the 7 days. Now these figures are just on the products that I've used List Warrior with. Okay, nothing else. This is not my overall the other bits that I get money from. This is just my Warrior Plus account, and I've just concentrated on using the free software. So I've got 8 sales of Paul's Traffic X, $103. Interestingly, I've got 7 sales of the Rhodes brothers' last product, 1-minute traffic machines, $85. Now that is from free traffic, and on top of that, I've probably got about 30 new subscribers. No, maybe more than that, actually. I can't even remember. 50 maybe. $188 for pretty much doing nothing is not bad going, okay? And like I said, that is not using my list. that is using these methods only. 15 sales, $188, and it's a lot of money, but it's a lot of money for doing nothing. So I'm really pleased with it. And once I implement this properly, not only am I going to get money, I'm going to get subscribers. This is the benefit of this system. You're getting 2 for 1 subscribers, and you're making money. So it's really good system, guys. So let's pop over to the program itself. So this is it, List Warrior. When you start off, you can sign up for their updates and stuff, and then there's a load of videos. And again, these guys give you so much content. There's a welcome video by Matt and John, 2.5 minutes long. There's then the 4-step cash power strategy, how to get there, 4 minutes. And what I like about these, the videos are short and sweet. They're so easy to follow. Viral traffic secrets, 2 minutes 57. Viral traffic 3:57. Our favorite type of traffic, 3 minutes. The software revealed, 3 minutes 48, and it just goes on. 2 minutes 50, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Case studies, these are really important, these case studies, guys, they're great. 4 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, loads of videos. 6 minutes, honestly, guys, brilliant. 4 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. You can't get asked for more than that. Short, sweet videos, straight to the point, okay? Free, how to get into autoresponders, which you don't really need that straight away. It's only if you want to. Loads of case studies. Everything's in PDF as well, which is another thing I like. A lot of people don't like watching all the videos. You can look at the PDF, and you're also getting 1 minute buyer clicks, which was their last product, for free. They're throwing that in. All right. This is one of the biggest, most thorough WSOs on the market. I love it. All right. This is a great way of getting free traffic. I know I've said it. I don't often get excited about programs, guys, but I'll get excited about this because it's really good. So that is List Warrior. All right. Have a look at the sales page. You get everything you need. Anyone can do it. It works on any computer. No monthly fees. You don't need anything unless you want to. There's a 30-day guarantee. Anyone can use it. It works in any niche, not just make money online, any niche. It's just brilliant. So $12.95 on the front end, guys. Grab it while you can. It's definitely going to go up in the next 24 hours because I'm late to the party getting this out to you. But I love it. It's brilliant. Buy it. I'm going to give you a load of bonuses as well. To help you get going. And I'm always here for you. If you've got any questions, you can hit me up directly. All right. That's it from me, guys. I'm Bobby D. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down there to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. That is List Warrior, one of the best programs of the year for me. You cannot go wrong with it. Grab it while you can and start making some money. All right. I'm Bobby D. I'll catch you all later. I appreciate you listening to me.